Okay, hi, this is Jane at Finca La Arena. Now, I know you can hear an engine in the background, so we'll just ignore that. That's somebody ploughing or pumping water or something. But listen to this noise. That is the frogs that are in the pond, which is just over this fence. That's just so cool. I love that. Anyway, this is the road home from our Spanish lessons. And this is what we hear in the morning when we go to our Spanish lessons, is the frogs, who've shut up now because they can hear me. Oh no, there they go. And the same on the way home again. And all of these brambles will have blackberries on them come August, September time. Trouble is they're usually not very sweet, not very big, and they're really, really hard to harvest because there's a ditch under there. Okay, bye for now.